So money was not a problem. That was one thing. Second, I was living on my own. Kwa nyumba yangu, yani Nairobi pahali pazuri, so life was good and everything was good. But I was still very void in my heart. Yani there was nothing. Yani kama ni safari nilienda mingi. Sikusema mimi nilikuwa mrembo, sije mambo ya pombe nini. But kama ni safari nilizienda mingi. So during my travel, once I asked myself, what is success? I have everything I want, but still I feel there is an empty void in me.
In your heart.
So now that's why when I started now thinking, what will happen now after me? I come from a family that is good. Tunapendana, tumesikizana, yes. But what about the family that will come out of me? Watakuwa na watu aina gani? Now from there I started doing my research. Now I wanted to really know what was Islam. What does it really entail? Ni nini na nini nahita, yani ni nini, yani haswa kiini chake ni nini? Hii dini imetoka wapi? Inafundisha nini? Wale watu wako kwa hiyo dini ni watu aina gani? Yeah.
So at least do something ambayo kuleta katika Uislamu.
Yes.
Nakugusa actually from your name Islam. Your name is Islam. Bona, why Islam? Why Islam?
Because I realized by the end of the day, the only thing that will take is submission.
Yeah.
And what is better way of reminding yourself every morning that you are submitting to one God, Allah, than to be an Islam and to be in Islam.
MashaAllah.
Yeah.
Your name now. Sasa ukiamka asubuhi ukisikia mtu anakuita Islam unajua.
It reminds me every time. Yeah, I should submit.
MashaAllah. Wow, subhanallah. That is very touching and MashaAllah, it's kubwa sana.